Product of vectors, part 3.
Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss a few 2 marks questions. So this is the continuation of a previous class. ఎవరైనా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో చూడకపోతే లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. So without delay, coming to topic. See the question number 7. Find the area of the parallelogram having the two vectors are given. The two vectors are what? Adjacent sides. So here we know that area of the parallelogram, if A bar and B bar having the adjacent sides, is mod A cross B. So first to find A cross B. See the seventh solution. Given A bar is equals to 2I bar minus 3J bar and the vector B bar equal to 3I bar minus K bar. Okay. Now we can find what? A bar cross B bar. So which is what? We know that cross means the first row is always IJK and write the IJK coefficients for vector A bar and B bar. First A bar vector coefficients. What is I bar coefficient? 2. What is J bar? Minus 3 coefficient. And there is no K bar, you can write as 0. Next B bar vector coefficients. I bar coefficient 3. There is no J bar, write 0. And K bar coefficient is minus 1. So write the symbols plus, minus, plus. You can find the determinant here. So which is I bar into. Delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. Minus 3 into minus 1. 3 minus 0. Next minus J into. Delete corresponding row and corresponding column. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 0. Plus K into delete corresponding row, corresponding column. 2 into 0. 0 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. You will get plus 9. So which is what? 3I bar minus into minus plus 2J bar plus 9K bar. Okay. Therefore, what is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram, which is equals to mod A bar cross B bar. See here modulus means square root of sum of the squares of the IJK quotient. First 3 square plus next quotient 2 square plus 9 square. So which is equals to square root of 94. So this is the area of the parallelogram. So next question number 8. Find the area of the parallelogram having the A bar and B bar are adjacent sides. So this is similar to question number 7. So try to solve the question number 8. So next go for question number 9. See here, if two vectors are what? Parallel. See here given vectors 4I bar plus 2P by 3J bar plus PK bar and I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar are parallel. We know that if two vectors are parallel, then A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So that is A1 4 divided by I coefficient 1, which is equals to 2P by 3, which is divided by 2, which is equal to C1 by C2, that is P by 3. So clearly equating any two, equating first and last. So 4 is equals to P by 3. So P is equals to what? 4 into 3, 12. So this is the value of P. So next question number 10. Find the unit vector, the plane determined by the vectors are given A bar and B bar. See the solution. The given vectors A bar equal to 4I plus 3J minus K and B bar equal to 2I minus 6J minus 3K. Here to find what? Unit vector to the plane determined by the A bar and B bar. So what is that formula is what? Plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B. So here first we can find A bar cross B bar. Okay. So here we know that A cross B is a determinant of the first row I, J, K and second row A bar coefficients. That is 4, J coefficient 3 and K coefficient -1. And B bar coefficients 2, -6, -3. Now we can find the determinant plus minus plus. So which is I into delete corresponding row corresponding column. We can do cross multiplication. 3 into -3 -9 minus -6 -1 6 minus j into delete corresponding row corresponding column. 4 into -3 -12 minus 2 into -1 -2. We will get again -2, that is plus k into delete corresponding row corresponding column. 4 into -6 -24 minus 2 into 3 6. So which is -9 -6, that is -15i -12 plus 2 -10 into minus plus 10j -24 -6, that is -30k. Clearly in that we can take 5 is common. So what will get? 5 3s, next 5 2s, next 5 6. So this is what A bar cross B bar. We can find modulus of A bar cross B bar, which is 5, write as it is, square root of sum of the squares of the coefficients. That is -3 whole square, next 2 square, next -6 whole square. So we can simplify this, which is 5 root -3 square 9, 2 square 4, 6 square 36. So 36 plus 4 49. So root 49 is 7. 5 into 7 35. Therefore, the unit vector to the plane determined by A bar and B bar. So clear, this formula is plus or minus A cross B by mod A bar cross B bar, which is equals to plus or minus what you got A cross B, this one, 5 into -3i plus 2j minus 6k, 35. So 5 ones, 5 sevens. So clear, the required unit vector is plus or minus -3i plus 2j minus 6k divided by 7. Okay. Next, try to solve question number 11. So this is also similar to question number 10. Find A cross B. Next, unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. So that is also same formula, plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B. So next, to try to solve question number 12 also. So this is also similar, but here just we can find mod A cross B, means A cross B and mod A cross B. So you can find up to here only. So try to solve question number 11 and 12. Next, question number 13. Two vectors A bar and B bar are given. Then find A bar plus B cross A bar minus B. So first we can find A bar plus B and A bar minus B. After that we can find cross product of two vectors. See the question number 13, the solution. Given vectors A bar equals to 2i minus 3j plus k and B bar equal to I bar plus 4j minus 3k. First you can find what? A bar plus B bar. So add the two vectors. 2i plus I, 3i minus 3 plus 4 plus 1j plus 1k minus 3k minus 2k. So next, A bar minus B bar. Subtract two vectors, between the two vectors minus 2 minus I, that is I bar, minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7j bar. 1 minus of minus 3, 1 plus 3, that is 4k bar. Now we can find a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. So which is cross product means determinant of first row is I, j, k. And what is the second row? A bar plus b bar quotients, that is 3, 1 minus 2. Next one, a bar minus b bar quotients, that is 1 minus 7, 4. Now we can find the determinant plus minus plus. So which is what? I into delete corresponding row and corresponding column, cross multiplication. 1 into 4, 4, between minus 7 into 2, 14, minus j into delete corresponding row and corresponding column, 3 into 4, 12, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, that is plus 2, plus k into 3 into minus 7, minus 21, minus 1. So which is what? 4 minus 14, minus 10i, 12 plus 2, minus 14j, minus 21, minus 1, minus 22k. So this is the required answer. So next, question number 14. See here, what is the given condition here? Of mod E1 minus E2 equal to sine lambda theta. Here E1 and E2 are unit vectors. That means mod E1 1 and mod E2 1. Then show that lambda is equals to what? 1 by 2. See here, given condition 1 by 2 into mod E1 bar minus E2 bar, which is equals to sine lambda theta. Okay. Now we can do squaring on both sides. So here what will get? 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 mod E1 bar minus E2 bar whole square. So which is equals to sine square lambda theta. Now again, which is 1 by 4, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square, E1 square can be also written as mod E1 bar square plus E2 square also written as mod E2 bar square minus 2ab, 2 into E1 into E2, that is 2 E1 bar dot E2 bar, which is equals to what? Sine square lambda theta. So we can do cross multiplication. This 4 is multiplied to what? Right hand side value. Now mod E1 value 1, because of E1 and E2 are what? Unit vectors. That means mod E1 is equals to mod E2 bar is 1. Substitute here. 1 plus mod E2 1 minus 2 into dot product of two vectors E1 dot E2, which can be written as mod E1 mod E2 cos theta. If cross is there, you can write sin theta. Okay, na? Now, which is equals to what? 4 into this one. 4 sin square lambda theta. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 into mod E1 and mod E2. Values are 1 into cos theta, which is equals to what? 4 sin square lambda theta. From the both the terms, 2 is common. So 2 into 1 minus cos theta equals to 4 into sin square lambda theta. Okay. Now we know that 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 into 2 sin square theta by 2, which is equal to 4 sin square lambda theta. So 4 get cancelled. So clearly in place of theta by 2 we have lambda theta. So therefore theta by 2 equals to lambda theta. Theta cancel. So what is the value of lambda? 1 by 2. So this is the value of lambda. So next question number 15. Two vectors are given. Then find the projection vector of B bar and A bar. So which is equals to A bar dot B bar into A bar. Here on which vector? A bar. So we should write in the denominator A bar, that is mod A bar square. So first we can find what? A bar dot P bar. So what is A bar dot B bar here? We know the dot product means multiplying I coefficients, J coefficients and K coefficients. So what are the I bar coefficients? 1 into 2. 2. Next, J bar coefficients. Minus 1 into minus 3. That is plus 3. Next, K bar coefficients. Minus 1 into 1. That is minus 1. So 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. Next, you can find what? Mod A bar square. So here we know that mod A bar is square root of sum of the squares of the ijk quotients. That is 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. So which is what? Root 3. Now substitute in the formula, which is, what is A bar dot B bar? 4 into A bar vector. That is I bar minus J bar minus K bar, which is divided by mod A bar is 3, and what is mod A bar square? 3. So mod A bar square value is 3. So this is the projection vector of B bar on A bar. ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.